Happy Tuesday, everyone. It's Tuesday morning. I forgot to do an update last night after my stream. But on that stream, if you don't know who Polymars is, another fantastic content creator, YouTuber, I'll link him down below. But he's the one that actually inspired me to make my Discord games and has now nominated me to make a game for the Chain Letter Game Jam. Essentially, it's just a game jam where someone makes a game, nominates people, and then those people make a game based upon the previous person's game, and the chain continues. That's a very short TLDR. For mine, since I don't do traditional game engines, we're doing ours in Excel or Google Sheets at the moment. The game is based upon Mastermind. Basically, you guess. Oh, I've not selected on the page. Basically, you just guess letters, and you try and get the word based upon this. So you can see here, there's a T in the word, but it's on the right spot, so we'll put it there. And kind of. Oh, there we go. So we got T. Let's see if we can get this letter. N, D, N. Is it tune? Okay, so it's. Is it torn? No, there's no R. What is. Oh, is it town? Hey, there we go. I got the word. Alright, so there you see. Eventually, you guess letters. Eventually, you find the word. So that's the basic concept of it. Yeah. Again, this is all using Excel, no JavaScript in this, or using Google Sheets. There's no Excel in this. This is all just the built-in functions in the Google Sheets. That's the project I made last night in stream. It's not the best. There's not really a sense of automation, I guess I could call it. But that's the next step if I can figure it out. I don't know. This was fun to start out, but now it's becoming a hassle and not very fun, but just how it goes when you do weird game engines. So that was yesterday. I also spent time yesterday doing some net data stuff for my servers just to get some more statistics on them and whatnot. Just learning more on that. But yeah, so now today, got work soon, but I'll probably be doing some video editing for tomorrow for the devlog that was before this. I think it's like devlog 6. We're doing some video editing for that. Beyond that, though, that's all I got. So, yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Alright, so I wasn't originally planning to do any sort of video recording for today's work, but there are a few things. First, I just finished doing the devlog that's coming out tomorrow morning for the previous devlog from this. And while I was editing it, I noticed that this camera, when I was doing it, looked really good. However, I was severely out of focus. So hopefully I did this right this time to where I'm now in focus, fingers crossed. But also, I'm still recording through the microphone that's off to the side here, but now I'm actually capturing it through OBS, which you can see now, to show my screen in front of me. That way I can kind of switch between the two. Which brings me to my second point of I hit 1,000 subs on YouTube. So thank you very much, everyone, for your support to help me reach this milestone. Very, very much appreciated, everyone. Just everyone who supported me and helped me. It's been a lot of fun this past year and a half almost. So to hit 1,000 has been really nice. Yeah, thank you very much. So like, I keep saying thank you because it's honestly it's amazing to hit this mark. So yeah, but anyways, camera, full film and focus. Hopefully it looks good. Video for tomorrow morning is up and ready to go. Finished editing that. And 1,000 subs. So that's all I had for today. Again, for a bit. I wasn't planning to do it, but a few things happened. So yeah. Anyways, I will catch you guys tomorrow or when I make the next bit. Alright, so it is now Thursday. Yesterday on stream we were redoing my apps dashboard. So on my stream, which is usually over there, there's two cameras here, I gotta figure this out, but on my stream, which is the Hangman game, which is usually over there on the far left hand side, for me to look at the stream, I guess it's far right hand side, left hand side, the other opposite corner of where my camera is. Usually there's a Hangman game over there, and for me, I've been redoing that Hangman game entire system to split out each of the games into their own pages. For me, I had Hangman, Battleship, T place. I had a bunch of other stuff. I also had the subscriber count for YouTube and my stream timer all on my like apps dashboard website. So that was all done in React. It was all a singular React page. It didn't make much sense for me to do that way because that's just really inefficient. When you want to play one game, when you load up one game in your OBS, you're loading up all of them. And in my case, when I have, you know, the YouTube above me, the game over there, I'm loading that same page up multiple times. It's just really inefficient. So I've gone through and I redid it all back into vanilla JavaScript, vanilla HTML, all of that. So it's just much more efficient on the OBS end. So yeah, so that was the stream, was breaking those out. I basically have them all rewritten now. They're all in vanilla that way. Just more testing before I actually push it out. And then now today on Thursday, I've been working back on my Raspberry Pi recording stream, action camera project, trying to get audio to work with it. And I've successfully gotten audio to work, just not very well. I'm still learning how to do audio and all this and how to combine them all together. So it's going, but slowly getting there. So anyways, that was yesterday and today. Time for sleep now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Alrighty, happy Monday, everyone. Today just finished my stream for today. We were finally working on chance cubes again. This was something that we actually started working on Saturday. So this is now Monday. I think the last update was Friday. Saturday was another stream. We started working on my website and API, but also working into chance cubes to update the API that is using. And then throughout the weekend was doing some other stuff, getting back into working on my Raspberry Pi action camera. Started work there, and then actually I picked up these last week as well. It wasn't over the weekend, it was earlier than that, but I got two of these. These are Google Daydreams, and I just got those off of Facebook Marketplace. But that is hopefully the start to the next step of redoing the third-person IRL camera. Is using those instead of the Google Cardboard I was using before. So hopefully I can get something working with those, and I can make another video on that in the future. But anyways, getting back to today, what we did on today's stream. Today worked on chance cubes again. This is like the first time in like a year almost that I've gotten actually done work on chance cubes and actually getting towards a new update. And what we did today is adding a new reward, and that new reward that we focus mainly on today is Connect 4. And it's just Connect 4. You get a nice kind of big grid Connect 4. And you just place the sand here on the top. There's ladders on the side here if you're in survival to get up to the top. And you just place sand, and you're playing against an AI. And yeah, you just try and win like normal Connect 4. It's not perfect. You can kind of like bug it a little bit if you place 2. Yeah, it kind of gets confused. But you also kind of like lose as much as you win. So like well, yeah, things bugged there. But at any rate, it's not perfect, but you play Connect 4, you can actually play if you play it the right way. You can actually play a full game, and it's against an AI. It's pretty cool. So at any rate, that's kind of the update from today and from the weekend. Not much to say there. Catch you guys in the next one. Alright, so it is now Thursday. I have not done a very good job this week of doing this devlog. So maybe I have, but I don't know. I guess it'll come down to when I get to editing it. But anyways, it's Thursday. I had my stream yesterday, was working on chance cubes, or not actually chance cubes, working on my website, which was also some of chance cubes, and then Sports Scorebots. It was a very short stream because I actually ran out of things to do. The things I had planned for the stream didn't take that long, so I kind of ran out of it, and it was a short stream. But anyways, that's that. Today's Thursday. I am going to be gone tomorrow through Sunday. So this devlog is sort of ending here. I might put some stuff after this of like my trip and where I'm going, just kind of like as like just a little ending sequence bit. I don't know. Obviously I haven't left yet, so I have no idea. But that's happening. So again, this devlog is sort of ending here in terms of what I'm actually doing. Today I've just been preparing my laptop, which is here just kind of as an emergency basis. It's just an old laptop. It runs Linux. I was getting that all set up to have my access to my servers and whatnot, just so I can manage them if I absolutely need to. But beyond that, just been preparing today. Yeah, I ended up putting a video yesterday. I didn't think I was gonna get a video this weekend, but I ended up putting one out yesterday on the Chance to Connect 4 game I made.
I was a whole kerfuffle. I put out the video of like a demo on it, and then I realized that this demo makes no sense on my channel. It's kind of like out of place. So I ended up putting out another video, which was me just kind of going over and whatnot. But anyways, whatever. So yeah, and then obviously the reason why I'm using my phone camera today is I'm trying out this lavalier mic here. I don't know how well it's going to be. The audio on this is okay. It's not the greatest. I'm hoping that this will help it a little more, especially because I rotate my phone around and whatnot. But I don't know. So, at any rate, if I don't speak to you guys again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this devlog. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.